It's still Memorial Day weekend and it's Sunday. So we're focusing on our local buffets that we usually go to. Today, since it's Sunday, we're going to the Palace Station buffet, which is actually the most affordable and the cheapest buffet on Sundays, because usually they do a champagne brunch on Sundays at the Palace Station buffet, but it's around $25 for the both of us. So we're gonna check it out. That's their best brunch day, breakfast and lunch day. So we're gonna go there today and see what the difference is between Sunday brunch and regular breakfast or lunch. Besides like the $5 difference. But if we weren't going to local joints, our favorite brunch place would Sunday brunch place would be the Bacchanal, we would say, right?
Yeah.
We still have to go there and compare brunch with the M buffet. So that's our top two favorite places that we do like so far. But we still have to compare brunch for Sundays and dinners on Saturday or Friday compared with the M buffet and the Friday. Okay, so we'll have to get back to that.
Friday is seafood at M buffet.
Right. So this weekend we're just focusing on locals buffets that's off the strip. So the Palace Station Casino buffet is off Sahara. It's off Sahara, so it's not on.
It's on the other side of the highway.
It's not on the strip. So we're avoiding this strip this weekend, this holiday weekend, which we typically usually do on holiday weekends, except for a few holidays.
Thanksgiving, Easter, Christmas.
Yeah, where we usually go early and wait like at least 3 or 4 hours in line, right?
3 hours, I think, is the maximum.
It's worth it though.